Okay, so let's take a look at this new listing that just hit the market for $95,000. I know that it's unheard of, and this isn't the greatest area in town, but it's definitely not the worst for sure. This is this little pocket, this little area of the subdivision is kind of back in here, a few blocks north of Savannah Street. So it doesn't get a lot of through traffic, which is nice. Big lot. The lot's like 160 feet deep. You can see it goes all the way back to the fence. I'll go ahead and walk around the outside. You've got a good HVAC system. You got a new metal roof. You got vinyl siding, your own slab. You've got a nice bonus storage shed. The lot is totally fenced in, which is really nice. Nice little sitting area out here to barbecue or grill out. Alright, so I'm going to take you the back way. We're going to go in the side door here. So you got an inside laundry. Comes with a nice newer washer and dryer. Here's your kitchen. Does not have a fridge, so whoever buys it is going to need a fridge. Clean kitchen. I mean, it's in really good shape. It's got a dishwasher, electric stove. Cabinets seem to be in good shape. Okay, so here's your living room, and it has a little dining area. You can set up an office or dining room table, whatever you want. It sure does feel bigger than, larger than 1,000 square feet, though. Living room area. So, I mean, the one thing I see, though, it could use a coat of paint. I don't think it's mandatory by any means, especially if this is going to be a rental. But the ceilings could be painted. You can see where they have been painted before. The flooring's not bad. The only bad spots in the flooring is right here in the front. Besides that, it doesn't look bad at all. Here's your bedroom number one. The carpet's in great condition. Like I said, this house was built in 2003, so it's not that old. And since it's built in 2003, it's under 20 years of age, so the insurance is going to be lots easier on this house. Probably not much of a problem with a good HVAC and new roof. So the bathroom obviously was constructed for handicap. If you can tell, that's eye level, so a typical adult's going to have to lower their head to get in the shower, but that's easily fixed. But really nice bonus. I mean, a lot of people like that. I mean, you could put in a much bigger countertop if you wanted to, and some cabinets in here or something, because there's a lot of room, a lot of wasted space. Big bathroom though, nice. Okay, so this is your one bath, living room, dining room area. We already looked at the kitchen. Let's check out bedroom 2. I mean, once again, it's in pretty good shape. It could use paint, but I don't really think it's necessary. The house is built in 2003, so you're going to be all copper. You're going to be circuit breakers, which is really nice, because this is going to help homeowners insurance dramatically. Make it so much easier to get good rates. Okay, so that's it. That's 3 bedrooms, over 1,000 square feet, kitchen, inside laundry, washer and dryer. You got a little dining area. You do have 1 bedroom on the front of the house, which is nice. You've got your huge handicap walk-in shower. Only 1 bath, so that's one of the negatives. Nice lot. It's totally fenced in. Nice and flat. Like I said, cute home, great price. $95,000 honestly is just really low. I mean, doesn't really matter where the area is. If it's financeable, which this house is, due to the age and the condition. Oh, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the quick little tour. $95,000 here in Pensacola, Florida. These deals don't come up very often. I haven't seen a house priced like this that was in this good a condition in a while. I think $95,000. I mean, you're still looking at a house payment really low with good insurance. I mean, I think this is no matter what the location, this is a good deal. So if you have any questions about this house, foreclosures, real estate, anything in particular, anything from my channel, please leave me a comment below, send me an email, phone call. I'll be glad to help answer any questions I can, but just make sure and please hit the subscribe button. All right, have a good day. Thanks.